Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a countdown effect to videos in the CapCut apps. So first, you can just start by adding the clips that you want to edit, and here to add the countdown effect, you can just select the effect first on the video effect. So click on effects, tap on the video effects, and then here you can just swipe through the category and then select the celebrate category. Then in here you can just find the countdown effect. So let's just scroll down, and here there will be this countdown 1, 2, and also 3. So you can just choose which one that you want to use. Let's try the countdown first. Okay, so this is how the effect looks like, and this is the countdown 2. Okay, it's still loading. Let's just wait. Okay, so this is the countdown 2. I'm going to just use this one. Here you can always adjust the effects. You can adjust the blur and the speed of the countdown. I'm going to make it fast. For example, I'm going to go with 60. Let's click on a check icon, and this is how the countdown effect look like. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.